Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shelly. I'm also new to YouTube, so welcome to my channel. I always forget to mention that I have social media accounts, so if you want to follow me on any of those there, check out the description box down below. I'll leave links down there to where you can find me on social media. Also, if while you're watching this video, if you like it, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button down below. I really appreciate anyone who is subscribing to this channel. Today I wanted to do a favorites video. I'm gonna call it September favorites, even though September is long gone. Maybe this will turn into an October favorites video by the time I get this video up. But I wanted to just talk to you about a few items that I've been liking recently in the past couple of months, and just kind of give them a shout out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the first item. So I had done a video a while back with a bunch of different items that I purchased. Some of them were sunscreens. One of them was this one. So this is the Supergoop Everyday Sunscreen, and it's SPF 50. So I am currently on the hunt for sunscreen because where I live, there's a new law that's going to be put into place banning a couple of sunscreen ingredients. Unfortunately, this one has one of those ingredients. The ban doesn't go in effect for like a year or two more, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to be able to use this all up before that happens. But for those of you who may not have those types of restrictions where you live, this sunscreen I've been really liking. If they happen to ever change the formula and remove that ingredient, I would definitely repurchase this sunscreen if it feels the same and performs the same. I really like it because it's just a plain old basic sunscreen. There's no tint or color to it at all. It's just a white sunscreen. I feel like it absorbs really nicely into the skin. It doesn't feel greasy or anything like that, and you can blend it in very easily. I feel like some other face products with sunscreen, sometimes you have to like add moisturizer or something because I don't know, it's just hard to blend out, but this one is totally fine. I really have been liking it. I have been using this one mostly on my face. I haven't used it all over the body. I know that this comes in some other larger sizes, but I think that this is really good for the face. On here it says oil-free face and body lotion, ideal for a day of play and every day. This is a 2.4 fluid ounce bottle, so it would last you a pretty good amount of time. I feel like most other sunscreens that I've purchased are about like 1 ounce or maybe a little bit more than that, but I really like this one. If you watched any of my previous videos where I'm talking about skincare, some of them were empties videos. I'm used to using sunscreens that are a little bit more fluid, ones that you have to like shake up in the bottle to like mix up the product and stuff like that. So this was one of the first sunscreens that I've used that aren't like that in a while. But yeah, give this a try if you're looking for a sunscreen. I've been really liking this one. So this item is from BareMinerals. It's their Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream, and it's in an SPF 30. So this is a 1.18 fluid ounce tube, and I'm using the color Buttercream 03. I found that this is actually a very like natural color for me. I think it matches my skin tone very well. I've gotten some compliments on this while I've been wearing it. I know I went to the hair salon and she had asked me if I recently got a facial, which I have not. I haven't had a facial in a long time and I really want to go and get one. But that basically told me that this product made my skin look really good, maybe like almost flawless. She said I had kind of like a glow to my skin, and this is really all I was wearing that day. While I was traveling, I was trying to cut down on the amount of items and products that I was bringing with me. So this is what I brought to use as my sunscreen, and I did feel like it was giving me a pretty, not like a heavy amount of coverage, but just like a light kind of like to even out the skin tone kind of coverage. I am wearing this on my face today with just a tiny bit of concealer like underneath the eyes, just like a little bit. I'm not really good at using concealer, to be honest with you, but for the most part this is what I'm wearing. I did put a powder over it afterwards today, but usually I wouldn't. So if you're looking for something that is just kind of like a light coverage, something to wear every day with an SPF, I would suggest checking this one out. I've been really liking it. The last beauty slash skincare item that I wanted to talk about today is this eye cream from Clinique. So this is their Clinique Smart Custom Repair Eye Treatment, and this is a 0.5 ounce bottle, and I feel like that's pretty much a standard size for eye creams, somewhere around half an ounce. I was actually really surprised with this product. Initially I had purchased a different eye cream that came in a little like tub container, and it just wasn't really working out for me, so I decided to take that one back and ended up with this one because I felt like the Clinique one was pretty affordable. So the way that you would get this product out is just by pressing down and pumping some product out. You don't really need a lot. I use like maybe half a pump amount, and that's pretty much good enough for me. The product is a little bit kind of like, has that kind of shiny, reflective, iridescent sort of look to it. It definitely doesn't show up on the skin though. It absorbs into the under eye area really well. It's not greasy or anything like that. It is more of a gel formula, which is usually the kind of eye creams that I like. But I would say so far so good. I've been using this for a few weeks now and I've been really liking it. If you're looking for a new eye cream and you're not really sure where to go, which is how I was, I just kind of went for this one and it turned out to be good. So give this one a try if you're looking for a new eye cream. So the next item that I have here is a pair of earrings, and they're like pretty tiny, so I'm super sorry. I'll try to do some close-up shots of this one. But these, I think they're by Kris Nations, and I was actually gifted these. I thought they were really cute. I do have pierced ears, but my issue is that I haven't really been regularly wearing earrings. I am wearing earrings right now, but I've been really having a hard time because I feel like the thickness of a lot of earrings is too big, even though it's like a standard size. Right now it's a little bit too big for me and it does end up kind of hurting. So there's other earrings that I've purchased recently that I really want to wear, but I haven't been able to actually like wear them because the earring, like the stem of the earring is just a little bit too big. But these ones have been working out really great. They're super lightweight, very easy to put on, and they stay on even though there's no like backing or anything to hold them. I think these are called threader earrings, but I've been really liking this style. They're, like I mentioned, they're super lightweight. I can barely even feel that they're there. Sometimes I forget. And I have to remember to take them off before I go to sleep because I don't want to lose them or anything like that. But yeah, I've been really liking these earrings. Hopefully you can see it a little better here. But yeah, I've just been really liking these earrings, and every chance that I can wear them, I have been. So I just wanted to give them a little shout out and let everybody know that I think that these are great. The last two items that I have are kind of random. They're basically the same thing by two different brands. So they're actually socks. So I've been trying to buy maybe like a little better quality socks, and I got curious about the, I don't know if I'm saying this right, but Bombas, I don't know how to pronounce this brand, but I wanted to give their socks a try because I've been just seeing a bunch of stuff about them online. I thought it looks pretty cool. They have a bunch of different colors. They looked really fun. Different styles like ankle versus like longer socks, as well as socks that are grippy too. The ones that I like in particular are their ankle socks. And what I like about them is that they're really thick. So again, while I was traveling, I did take these socks with me. I wanted to like take them on a test run to see if they made like walking around more comfortable, because obviously when you're traveling, you're walking around a ton. And I want to say that these socks are super comfortable. They're very thick if you like thick socks. If you like thin socks, I don't know if they make any like thinner styles of socks because these are pretty thick. So with that being said, I can't necessarily wear these with every single style of shoe that I have or like sneaker, because some of my sneakers are a little bit tighter. But for the sneakers that I have more room in, I have been wearing these and I've been really liking them. I do wear them to the gym, and I do feel like it has been making like my workouts like a little bit more comfortable, I guess, with the extra like padding in the sock. I'm not an athlete or anything like that, so I don't know if that really makes a difference. If you are, let me know down in the comments below, or let me know what kind of socks I should try for workouts specifically. For the most part, I have been wearing these more so like on a weekend basis, and they've been working out really great. The other pair of socks that I did want to mention are socks for bar workouts or like studio workouts. So I don't know if any of you out there are familiar with the bar workout, but it is something that I like to do. I've been kind of out of the like workout game for a long time. I think the last time I was really active is back in high school when you had to take like gym class, and it was mandatory. So me getting back into working out was kind of difficult, and the first time I actually went to a class that I liked was bar. So that's been something that I've been sticking with and going to as much as I can. And in those classes, you do need to wear like grippy socks because of the floor and kind of what you're doing. It helps you really stay in place. These are by Pointe Studio, and I think they come in a lot of fun like cute colors. They have like two-tone colors or solid ones. The studio that I go to carries these socks like in their store. They sell them, and I feel like there's a huge variety of different colors that these come in, but I've also went online to see if you can purchase them via their website, which you can. So if you're interested in getting some new bar socks for your classes, give Pointe Studio a try. I've been really liking these socks. They're super comfortable, and they really help keep you in place when you're doing those workouts. Well, that's all I have for this favorites videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've tried any of these items, let me know in the comments below and let me know your thoughts on them as well. Or if you know of anything that I might like to try, let me know that too. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you again so much for watching. Bye.